So around 2 years ago, I bought a filing cabinet and I intended to turn into a camera cabinet. And I sort of did, but I never actually was doing a very good job. So I'm going from this to this. So I already emptied out the cabinet, and I should have filmed it because it was a disaster, but this is what was in it. So yeah, I have a lot of gear, and it's always kind of just been piled up on top of itself. And it's not a very safe or tidy way to keep your gear. So I'm pretty excited today to actually make the storage system work. I got the idea directly from Wistia. I remember a couple years ago I saw them make this exact thing, and then for whatever reason I ended up buying this filing cabinet thinking I would do the same thing, but that didn't pan out, obviously. And now I'm gonna put it into this tool cabinet, and I think it's gonna be awesome. So I got this stuff called Kaizen foam. It comes in 2x4 foot sheets. Before I get started, I think I want to make a coffee. Usually when I end up filming making coffee, I forget to do something, or it takes much longer to brew. This time I forgot to set the timer, but it should still be good. Now I have a coffee and it's time to start. Also, I forgot to charge batteries for this camera. The first thing I gotta do is get this guy out of here because I emptied it already. Lens cap, nail file, vacuum. Unfortunately, the handle can only be mounted on that side. But for now, this is where I'm gonna start setting up. I don't think I need the knife. Probably just gonna start with the one piece for now and move the other one out. So I'm gonna measure the drawers and have some foam. Cleanest job, but it's working. Little by little you wear me down. That's the basic idea. My battery on the camera is just about dead, and the other two are charging, but I think I might have one more. Got it. First step is to organize all my batteries, and there's a lot of them. So I just organized all my batteries. Now I'm going to use the marker marker out every single piece that's going in, and then cut it out. I'm making pretty good progress. I've got almost all my batteries in the drawer. The next step will be putting cameras and lenses in the next drawer. And I have this much, plus this camera, and this one. So it might be a bit of a tight squeeze. Now the difficult part is that I need to cut out spaces for this camera. Well, I think I'm done for now. I'm gonna get some organizers to put some cables and other stuff in some of the higher drawers. But yeah, pretty happy with it.